Kamala Harris had a prime chance to charm the crypto crowd at the Crypto for Harris event on August 14th, but it was more of a digital ghosting. While Donald Trump wowed the Bitcoin 2024 crowd, Harris's contribution was just her logo on the invite. The event turned out to be more like show than substance, with politicians like Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer making a symbolic appearance and delivering a bland 1,309-word speech that didn't mention Bitcoin. Voters wanted real answers on crypto security and government interaction, not vague promises. The Harris campaign's Crypto for Harris and other efforts feel like desperate moves rather than strategic plays. The attempt to compare crypto to AI missed the point, with crypto focused on reducing government interference.